Hey guys, I'm Shantini and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to create this Aishwarya Rai Cannes inspired makeup look. So this look is a really glamorous look with silver and golden glittery eye makeup paired with a nudie pink lip. So if you guys want to know how to create this look, then please keep on watching. I'm going to start with my eye makeup first, and I'm going to take this bronzing shade and put this into my crease. This will help in making my crease appear a bit deeper. Then I'm going to take a little bit of concealer and I'm going to cut my crease. Now this is going to help in making my crease a little more prominent. If you guys want, you can totally skip the cut crease. This is not necessary, but I did this so that the crease kind of appears a bit more sharp. After that, I'm going to take this white golden kind of shade and I'm going to apply this all over the concealer to set the concealer, and this is also going to bring a kind of glow. Next, I'm going in with this golden shade and I'm applying this in the inner corners. Now in the picture, if you look carefully, you will be able to notice that she does have a little bit of golden in the inner and outer corners, so I'm just doing that. After that, I'm going to take this silver shade and apply it just in the center of my eyelid. So this is going to act as my base color. I'm going to apply glitter over it. Once I am done with that, I'm going to take a brush and blend the golden and the silver together. Next, I'm going to apply a little bit of glitter glue, and over that, I'm going to apply a little bit of silver glitter. Next, I'm going to take a whitish, silverish kind of eyeliner, and I'm going in for this graphic liner. Following that, I'm going to use this black eyeliner underneath it and I'm going to make a winged liner. So once that is done, next I'm going to move on to my face makeup and I'm going to start with a primer. So I'm going to go in with the Blue Heaven primer and I will be applying this all over my face. So once that is applied, next I'm going to apply foundation and I'm using my Wet n Wild foundation for this. If you guys want the shade, numbers and everything will be mentioned down in my description box. So if I miss out on any of the product name or anything, make sure you guys go and check out my description box. I've also mentioned the details of the brush that I'm using in my description box. So I'm going to blend it out with a brush, as you can see, and once that is blended, next I will be applying concealer. And for concealer, I'm using my Maybelline Fit concealer and I'm applying it just under my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, on my forehead, and that's it. So I'm going to blend it out, and next I'm going to set my face using my Coloressence compact. Then I'm going to contour my face, and this plays a really important role. Now what I'm doing today is that I'm actually going in for a more rounder shape because Aishwarya has a really pretty round kind of a face, so I'm just going in for that look. So I'm just making my cheeks appear a little more round, and for the nose I'm going in for a little heavy contour today. Then for the blush, I'm going to apply it right over there, and then I'm going to apply a little bit of highlighter. Next, I'm going to draw my brows, and I did my brows after doing my foundation because I think that kind of helps me a little bit more. And today I'm going in for a really arched look because she has like really arched, very well drawn brows. So I'm kind of mimicking that, and then I'm going to just use a spoolie and spool it out. For my lower lash line, I'm going back with the silver eyeshadow, and then I'm going to apply kajal in my waterline. After that, I'm going to apply some mascara on my upper and my lower lashes. And guys, I will be wearing a pair of falsies off camera. For my lips, I'm going to use this lipstick from Lakme 9 to 5, and I have mentioned the shade down in my description box. And after that, I'm going to apply this nude shade from Coloressence. She has a very pinky nude kind of a shade on her lips, which I am trying to create using both of these shades. And that's it. So this is the final look, guys. So that's it for today's video. If you guys have liked this video, then don't forget to give it a like. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys again in my next video. Till then, take care.